Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You open Voice Memos and tap the red record button to begin capturing audio now. Don't linger. Position the iPhone mic toward the sound source because proximity affects clarity, and if you have an external mic, connect it before tapping record. Once recording starts, glance at levels to avoid clipping and use pause when you need a break. Make sure to name the clip right away so you can find it. Naming helps organize takes and prevents accidental overwrites. You tap the clip and choose Edit Recording to refine what you captured. This is where quality comes together. Use Trim to cut silence or mistakes, Replace to overdub a section, and the Enhance button to reduce background hiss. Each choice changes the audio differently. Once done, scrub the waveform to preview edits and make fine adjustments with pinch to zoom. Make sure to hit Save or Done. Save creates a new version, so you retain the original if you need to revert. You share by tapping the clip and choosing Share. Pick AirDrop for nearby devices, Messages for quick send, or Save to files for long-term storage. Enable iCloud Sync in settings to back up recordings automatically and access them on other devices. Once shared or backed up, delete local copies if space is low. If you encounter no audio, check microphone access in settings, ensure the mic isn't blocked, restart the app, and if necessary, reboot the iPhone to reset hardware permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.